Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day out here in Chicago. It is very cheap. We're going to be really hot today. And I got to get my truck clean, but it's too hot for me to do it. The sun's going to be, going to leave water spots. I'm going to have a hard time doing it. So I'm going to go over to the special place that Chicago Auto Pros has. It's called the Bays, where you actually get to wash your car inside in a climate control. And they just recently opened, so we're going to go ahead and check them out. But look how dirty this truck is. I can't believe I let it go this far. Look at this. Got bird crap on there. It's just all completely dirty. The wheels are nasty. Completely nasty. So yeah, I can't believe I let my truck get this far. I usually keep it clean all the time, but I've been really busy lately. So especially when we went out to the track a few weeks ago. So let's get over there and get this baby clean. Alright guys, got my truck all backed in. I'm over at the Bays where you actually get to wash your car. It's all climate control. All you do have to pay is a membership, and you bring your own stuff. You wash your car, you can ceramic coat it, and they even supply the buckets. You got the wheel cleaner, you got the rinse and the wash. So you got the 3-bucket bucket, just like I use at home. So I already got all this filling up. Go ahead and shut this off. You got the hoses, the blowers over here. You also have the air dryers. And right over there along the wall, they actually rent these out. So you can actually just sit here and do a two-step paint correction on your vehicle. I'm about to clean this bad boy. It'll take me a little bit. So, enjoy. Alright guys, just got done doing the wheels. Now I gotta move on to the top part of the body. You gotta do it in steps, you gotta do the top, then you gotta do the bottom, because where the bottom is where all the dirt is. You don't want to do the bottom work up, because you'll get all that dirt and scratch up your whole vehicle from doing the dirt at the bottom. So you want to save that for last. So I already got the wheels done. Wheels looking good. Alright guys, the tops are done. Now I'm working at the bottom. Now as you see, did about halfway, all the way through. Actually I didn't go past this part here, so I'm gonna do the rest of it. Wheels already done. Then after I'm done washing it, I'm gonna go back through with the blower dryer I showed you over here. Blow it off. Get any spots that I missed. So like I said, I stopped right here, going down here. For the rest of it, get the platforms. All the top is all done, all right here. And then grab this trusty air dryer. These things work really good. So I'll be done here shortly. But not bad for being climate control. You have the whole bay to yourself without interruptions, no sun. You can sit here and do ceramic coating your vehicle and let it cure, and then you'll be on your way, ready to go. But you got the whole bay to yourself. Guys, I just beat 105-degree weather that's outside right now just to wash my truck, but I did break a sweat being in here. I'm hot and muggy right now. Just really working my butt off to get my truck clean. But here, take a look and see how clean it is. Look at this. Yes, it is an EV Ram. Look at this, how clean it is. Nice and shiny. Look at that. Pocket. Alright. Time for the part to clean up. Got to clean up the buckets, be more respectful. Put the buckets away. Clean all the rags and stuff. Just remember, you got to bring your own stuff to wash your vehicles, but it's in a climate control area, so you got to bring all your stuff to for your wash. They do have stuff in the store to buy. Then you can use it right in here. But look how clean my truck is. I'm not dying. Just me going really fast. But truck out came out clean. Not in 105-degree weather with watermarks all over my vehicle. As you can see, this is an amazing retail store for all your needs, for all detailing accessories. You got your brushes, you got your rags, you got your ceramics, your graphite, car wash stuff, carpet cleaning, buffers. They even have all your accessories for your pressure washer, buckets. So my experience is, besides me getting sweaty and doing this really fast, it was an amazing experience. I had to drag everything out of my house. I'm in a climate control area. If I want to do a two-step correction here, I can do that. I can take my time instead of doing it in my garage. It's really well lit, and you can see everything they provide. What, buckets, hoses, pressure washer, vacuums, not vacuums, the blowers to dry it. Where else can you go wrong? Till next time, guys, stay humble.